आप लोग। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं लिथियम के बारे में, उसकी एनोमलस प्रॉपर्टीज़ क्या होती हैं, उन सब के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है। लिथियम, you know one thing about the lithium, is that lithium, the alkali metal, that does not behave like alkali metals. Okay, so guys, you know that lithium belongs to group 1, so it should behave like sodium and potassium, but lithium is a little different. Today we will understand why lithium shows anomalous behavior and why it is similar to magnesium. So what is the reason behind anomalous behavior? No, so we have to think about it and we have to learn about this, that why lithium is different. So you know that lithium is a structure of lithium that is small in size, very small in size. So and also it has high charge density. It has very high charge density, lot of amount. Because of its small size, it has high charge density, and due to which it has high polarization power. Polarization power to attract some other electron or the alien electron toward itself is very high. Other than other elements, it has high charge density, so that is also a reason. Lithium has small, and through which we can say that lithium has the small atomic size among alkali metals. Because the size is small, its nuclear attraction electrons, its nucleus attracts electrons strongly, which give lithium high polarization power. Yeah, and now you can see that if we go through here, if the size of the lithium is small, and if the small size, so it has the strong attraction. Okay, so if we go further in this, and now we can see that what is the difference between the lithium and the other alkali metals. So here we go, just give me a minute. So here we can see that if the size is small, other alkali metal large. Talking about hardness, lithium hard, other soft. Talking about melting point, higher for the higher, and other alkali metal lower. Reaction with water, less vigorous for lithium, and more vigorous for alkali metal, other metal. So basically sodium react vigorously with water, but lithium reacts slowly because lithium has strong melting metallic bond. That's what's the reason it's. And talking about the carbonates part, okay, carbonate, CRBONATE, carbonates part, like in the NCERT. So basically important for the NCERT. CERT, it's gonna be lithium Li2CO3 decompose. It's good, decomposes on heating, decompose हो जाता है ये, and Na2CO3 that gets stable. It gives these two things. So basically lithium carbonate behave like magnesium carbonate because of the small size and high polarization power. That's what it gonna be. And if we go through the diagonal relationships, basically the diagonal relationship, if we go through that only, so what it's gonna be, I just add a page over here, just give me a minute. So talking about the diagonal relationship, it has lithium over here, lithium to magnesium. So what is it? Lithium is in group 1 and magnesium is in group 2, but carbonates, that is basically Li2CO3 and magnesium MgCO3 decomposes on heating. That's one point in this. Secondly, the nitrates, NITRATES, nitrates. So what's nitrate does here is that the lithium nitrate, the reaction is that you have to you're gonna see this is that LiO3, that's gonna be Li2O plus NO2 plus O2, and then magnesium NO3 2, that gives MgO plus NO2 plus O2. So these two reactions you have to learn how it's gonna is basically decomposes. NiNO3 get decomposed into Li2O plus NO2 plus O2. That's what it's gonna be. And same goes for here. You have seen this, okay? So it just get decomposes, all of that's all, nothing else you're gonna worry about. So in this, ये इसमें क्या हो रहा है, बस ये रिएक्शंस डिकम्पोज हो जा रही हैं, बस और कुछ भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट हम आगे देखते हैं. तो तीसरा पॉइंट हमारा है hydroxides. Okay, so in hydroxides, what is there? It's that here LiOH and MgOH whole twice are less stable. Basically these two are lithium and magnesium hydroxide are basically less stable. So basically, remember what you have to remember, that lithium is special because of its small size, first thing, and this small size give the it property different. So basically what you have to learn here, तुम्हें क्या यहाँ पे सोचना वो ये है कि लिथियम जो है इज स्पेशल है. क्यों स्पेशल है? लिथियम इज स्पेशल बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ इट्स, सो रिमेंबर लिथियम इज स्पेशल, so basically lithium is special because of its small size. This small size gives its property because property difference from other alkyl metal and create a diagonal relationship with magnesium. So what the diagonal relationship is there is that the diagonal relationship that you have to remember is lithium and magnesium are diagonally related to each other. Okay, so you can see here, right here, if I gonna show you this. So diagonal relationship, just give me a minute. So here you can see that a point of similarity between lithium and magnesium. The similarities is that the similarity between lithium and magnesium is particularly strict and arise because of their small size, similar sizes. So what I have told you is that lithium is similar to magnesium, show diagonal relationship. Why? ऐसा क्यों होता है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जस्ट मिनट, ऐसा क्यों होता है कि लिथियम से सेम प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है क्योंकि लिथियम एंड मैग्नीशियम का साइज सिमिलर रहता है. इस वजह से अगली अगर आगे हम चीज़ देखें तो एटॉमिक साइज ऑफ लिथियम इज़ 152 picometer and magnesium is 160 picometer. So you can see here very small size. Ionic radius of lithium is 76 picometer and magnesium is 72 picometer. The main point of similarity is both lithium and magnesium are hard. Okay, so both lithium and magnesium are hard and the lighter than other elements in the respective group. अपने दोनों respective group से दोनों lighter होते हैं. दूसरी चीज़, lithium and magnesium react slowly with water. ये दोनों water के साथ बहुत कम vigorously react नहीं करते, slowly react करते हैं. दूसरी बात, their oxides and halide hydroxides are much less soluble. उनके जो oxides इनके oxides और hydroxides are less soluble and their hydroxides decompose on heating. उनकी जो हाइड्रोक्साइड है वो डिकम्पोज ऑन हीट करने पे, बोथ फ्रॉम नाइट्राइड्स Li3n and magnesium Mg3n2 बाई डायरेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन विद नाइट्रोजन. सो बेसिकली लिथियम मैग्नीशियम जो ना सॉलिड करते हैं वाटर से, तो बस ये चीज़ देखनी है. दूसरी बात, द ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ लिथियम ऑक्साइड एंड मैग्नीशियम डू नॉट
combine with excess oxygen to give any superside. तो ये ऑक्सीजन से अपने रिएक्शन किस तरह से कि ये क्या करते हैं कि Li2 और MgO2 डो नॉट डिकम्पोज नहीं हो जाते हैं. एंड ऊपर अगर तुम लिथियम एंड मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट स्लोली विद वाटर, देयर ऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोक्साइड आर मच लेस सॉल्युबल एंड देयर हाइड्रोक्साइड डिकम्पोज ऑन हीटिंग. तो बेसिकली उनके हाइड्रोक्साइड और हाइड्रोक्साइड आर मच लेस सॉल्युबल होते हैं देन देयर हाइड्रोक्साइड से. एंड बेसिकली व्हाट इज देयर इज दैट मच लेस सॉल्युबल एंड देयर हाइड्रोक्साइड डिकम्पोज ऑन हीटिंग. तो जैसे उनके हाइड्रोक्साइड को डिकम्पोज करते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं कि डिकम्पोज होता है हीट के में, और दोनों के नाइट्राइड बोथ ऑफ एंड फॉर्म नाइट्राइड, दोनों नाइट्राइड बनाते हैं Li3n एंड Mg3n2 बाय डायरेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ नाइट्राइड. नाइट्रोजन से डायरेक्ट कंबाइन करके ये क्या बनाते हैं, दोनों नाइट्राइड्स बनाते हैं. ओके, Li3n एंड Mg3n2, ये तुम रिएक्शन देख सकते हो. और ऑक्साइड की तुमने बता दी Li2O एंड MgO, द ऑक्साइड Li2O एंड MgO डू नॉट कंबाइन विद एक्सेस ऑक्सीजन से कंबाइन नहीं करते टू गिव एंड सुपर ऑक्साइड नहीं देते हैं. तो ये मेनली ये सारे पॉइंट्स है. तुम बाकी तुम NCERT पढ़ के तुम ये वाली चीज़ देख भी सकते हो तुम्हारे हाथ में. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई चैनल एंड माई वीडियोज़. डू लाइक, share and subscribe and grow. Okay, all the best.